Let's find out if Minion movie snacks cause cavities. Minions love bananas and farts, but I don't want to eat banana farts. Oh, that one was wet. So let's feast on the most popular Minion movie snacks. Laffy Taffy Banana Bites. Oh my goodness, I just launched them everywhere. They look like giant yellow Tic Tacs or little yellow golden turds. Tastes like banana. Soft, chewy, and delicious banana flavors. There's some jokes on the back of the wrapper. What do you tell a sick banana? Peel better soon. Kinda lame. Up next is Minion Pet. We have Odo, Kevin. He's got a cute little ponytail, but he looks kinda angry. We have Bob, and my favorite, Stuart. He's got the best smile, and I love his haircut. Orange, lemon, and cherry. Fully loaded. Now let's wash it down with an Olipop banana cream soda. Ugh, smells weird. It smells like a banana smoothie, but it's in soda form. Whoa, that is disgusting. Soda that tastes like bananas is definitely not good. Chocolate banana. It looks like a fruit, but in reality, it's made out of chocolate. Movie theater popcorn. Ew, this is what's inside a popcorn bag. It smells pretty good though, although it looks like vomit. And just like that, it's fully cooked. Delicious fresh popcorn. Minions Banana Icy. It's delicious, but I'm getting a brain freeze. Kinda tastes like Mountain Dew. Let's check the pH. A value under 5 will cause cavities. Yikes, it's a 2. Before we get brushing with this limited edition Minions toothbrush kit, I got some popcorn stuck in between my teeth, so let's get flossing. Let me know in the comments down below if you brush or floss your teeth first. It's disclosing time. Let's check the before results. Let's see what it comes with. A power toothbrush. There's a baby Bob on the bottom of the toothbrush to help you encourage brushing your teeth. It also comes with a manual brush. I love when toothbrushes have suction cups. Despicable Me Bello mouthwash and Fruity Bubble toothpaste. Fart glob. Let's add some farts for some extra added flavor. Okay, that should be good. This is Dental Digest. Let's get brushing. This toothbrush is... This toothbrush doesn't have enough banana feel to it, so let's try something else. My favorite banana toothbrush with over 127 million views. It might be a baby chew toy, but this banana toothbrush, it's making my teeth squeaky clean. Despicable Me mouthwash. Salute. Let's check the after results. It's an 8. Let's check the final results. My teeth are protected from the rise of tooth decay. Thanks for watching. We'll see you fart globbers in the next one. And as always, smile on. Ciao.